Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. I'm Paul, the owner of eCommerceimages.com, and on this channel I'll be sharing lots of tips and insights for online sellers. Primarily I'll teach you how to leverage the undisputed #1 way to grow your product sales, and that is of course with quality product photography. I'll also be teaching you some great ways to utilize product videos, which alone have been shown to grow sales conversions by an average of 20%. So who the hell am I? Well, I started my career as a graphic designer in Melbourne and London many moons ago. I've been a commercial photographer for 18 years now and have shot all over the world for some of the world's biggest brands. However, full disclosure, you are looking at the guy who literally set his own camera on fire during my first food shoot in Dubai in 2004. Not ideal. Fast forward to 2020 when I was named as a Foodelia Top 10 Food Photographer of the World. And I decided to share with you how to not set your gear or your products on fire, but to skip ahead of an epic learning curve and instead make your business fire. I'll help you get straight to selling more products, feed you achievable ideas, techniques, as well as e-commerce trends to market your business like a champ. Just think of this channel as a marketing support partner for your online business. So just hit the subscribe button below and let's get you off and racing.